family, thank you so much for joining me. I'm Kanye. It is an absolute pleasure to have you here. So I'm back again with another gadget on a budget, and today's gadget on a budget is a splash-proof shower speaker from Mr. Price.
Here it is, everybody. Splash-proof, not water-resistant. I'm going to show you a different side. Here it shows you what functions the speaker has, and on this side it shows you the functions of the music player, the gray area in the middle, and here it shows you that it takes splashes and not water. It's a Bluetooth connecting speaker, which is very good, and it has a 5-watt output player, which is the amount of sound that comes out of the speaker as far as audio or music is concerned. It has hands-free call. That means you can use it to answer your calls as well. So it has a music player too, and by music player it means these things over here. You see the little gray area in the middle. It has controls, and those that is what the music player is. It has controls. I'll give you a run through of what each does just now, but this is what it means when they say it has a music player. Okay, let me just clear this. It is not water resistant. It is splash proof, so it can take a little amount of water on it. You see on this side of the box it shows you that it can take drizzles from the rain, splashes from the shower. What it cannot do is swim in water or take up large amounts of water. So I'm just going to go ahead and open the speaker and see what we are dealing with here. So here is our gadget. I'm just going to go ahead and open it and see what we've got. Here's our speaker. It's quite light and very portable. And here's the suction cup and the lanyard they spoke about. On the box here is the music player as per the box. And here is the sound that the audio comes out of.
Because there's a mini USB port here, so you just plug it and you charge it on your normal charger head, or your laptop or whatever, and when it's charging, did you see that? It gives you this color to tell you that it's still charging. This is how you would place your speaker using the suction cup over here. Okay, and then you would place the speaker like this, and not like this, but like this, because this is where the sound is going to come from. It can survive the few splashes that will come from, obviously, the shower. So this is how you would basically put it. Let's get into the music player side and look at the functions that are here. This would be your on button, on and off button if you want to switch it on and off. This is the button you would use. This is where you pause and play your music here. If you like short press it, it will pause and play your music. These are your volume levels, controls, and it's also where you press to skip your songs. So this would be your back, this would be your forward, and then if you press and hold you would lower the volume, but if you press once you'd play like the previous song or the next track. To answer a call, this is the button you would press. Basically those are the music player functions that this gadget has. So when you switch it on, it gives you the blue LED to show you that it is on. One of the things that I liked about it was the fact that you can use it while you're charging it. Okay, you can connect it to your phone and work on it and like play your music while you are charging it. Okay, I would love to play some music, but I'm not trying to get into copyright issues with YouTube. And as far as battery life is concerned, the battery life here lasts for quite some time, because I can't give you really a straight direct estimate of the times, because I play it and then I switch it off and then I go on with my business and then I play it again, you know what I mean? But I don't get to charge it all the time. Another thing that it does to save battery is that it switches itself off when it's not connected to anything. That is a plus. As far as sound is concerned, I'm not going to lie to you and say it sounds like the brands that produced sound equipment. No, it doesn't. However, if you need your sound to be amplified just a little bit, this speaker is going to work for you. You can, yes, I know they call it the shower speaker, but you can take it to the office. If you work in an office, it's not going to be too loud. You can put it like in your work environment, wherever it is, provided that these things are allowed. You can also use it at home if you're watching movies or videos and you just want to amplify your sound just a tad. this thing is gonna work for you. And yeah, basically I use it for stuff like that as well. So this is a great little device for 100 rands. It is not bad. It's easy to charge, easy to use, very light and portable. The nice thing about shopping at reputable stores is that within a certain number of days you can always take it back if you're not happy with the gadget. You know what I'm saying? So I would say buy this if you like a little bit of sound, or you like to amplify your sound a little bit. Buy it, give it a shot. If you're not happy with it and you have your receipt and everything, you can always take it back and get your money. So that is my gadget on a budget for today. Thank you so much for watching. Feel free to recommend or suggest a gadget on the comments down below. Let me know what you think. Let's talk, let's interact. And if you have not subscribed, please do so. And to those who have already subscribed, thank you so much, you guys. I see that the family is growing and I am humbled. I will see you again on another gadget on a budget video.